What do you think of the new mat? It's just the green screen. It just makes it easier to edit on. Roll the intro. Great intro.
Nice Rubik's Cube, Jamesy.
I don't know what I'm doing anymore. So yeah, you're probably thinking this is a Rubik's Cube. No, this is a moyu cube. Holy crap, sudden change. Just so smooth. So for this video, we will not be using like other cubes. We're going to make it easier for you to understand by using the cube you probably own, a Rubik's Cube. Just the common old no corner cutting. But yeah, what is the notation of a Rubik's Cube? So basically, you might see people go, okay, you want to go R, U, R prime, U prime. That is what the notation is. So yeah, I'm going to be teaching you that. It's very simple. So basically, R is right, U is up. And then with the little apostrophe on the end, kind of like that. Yeah, that's just the opposite. So like, this is U, this is U prime, okay? So now you probably kind of get the concept. So M, middle, or M is really down, and then M prime. It's pretty simple. Like, I don't like fully know how to explain it like to you, but yeah, this is pretty much learn the Rubik's Cube notation in 3 minutes. So, what can I say? So L, U, okay? And then you got U, I don't know, D. We can go F, or other way, B, or B prime, F prime. Right, we'll just go like that. We'll just completely mess it up. Z, Y, X. It's pretty simple to understand once you get it. Hey, look at this cool shape we made. Hang on, I reckon I could probably... No, I can't. I cannot, man. I cannot. Okay, thank you for watching. Now, I will make another video where I go more in depth when my phone is not so full on storage. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Play the outro. Play the outro. Play the outro. I said play the outro.